did she react to your first boyfriend? I'm laughing like this because I think I am nervous about asking her this question because I've never asked her such stuff before. What do you think about sex before marriage? What was your reaction when you came to know about Jerry? Hi YFam and welcome to today's video. Today's video is with a special guest over here, my mommy. Hi mommy.
Hi.
Thank you for coming and doing this. I hope we don't scandalize you with the questions we're about to ask.
Nothing can scandalize.
Really? Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, absolutely.
Alright then. Famous last words. So just so you know what this video is, this is a Desi Mom reacts to spicy questions video where people send in the questions that they wish they had the guts to ask their own moms.
Okay.
That's the theme of it. It is really spicy, it is what it is. I'm gonna ask you the questions unfiltered. Some of these questions I've never asked you before myself, but these are from others, not from me, just putting it out there. Also, I really wanted this video to go up on like Mother's Day, but today is Mother's Day as we're filming this. We couldn't film it in time because of a bunch of things, but I'm glad that we're getting to do this. Yeah. And that my Desi mom is answering all of your spicy questions on Mother's Day. That's pretty cool.
And what if I don't want to answer something?
Then you can tell me I don't answer it.
Okay.
You can tell me that.
Then I'll say no comments.
Okay, done.
So filmy. We are all filmy.
Okay, should I start easy? Should we start easy?
No. It's okay.
You want to dive straight into the deep end?
Yeah.
No, I think we should start easy because I'm like scared. I'm genuinely scared because I've seen a glimpse of these questions and I'm a little bit scandalized. So I'm also going to like figure this out. Okay, let's not make this intro any longer and let's dive right into it. Okay, the first couple of questions we're starting. Just the first question is easy because I know with the second one we're going to be diving straight into the deep end. The first set of questions that I have over here are, what was your reaction when you came to know about Jerry and that when you came to know that I was in a relationship?
Okay, so when I got to know about Jerry, I was quite okay. Like, it's not like I was shocked or anything. Yes, he did not belong to the same community or, he was, I mean, it was pretty, like, it took some time, little time for it to sink in, but it was okay. I was like, shocked.
A lot of people think the age difference is an issue, but age
difference doesn't matter. 11, 14, it doesn't matter. You loved him, it's end of the story.
Yeah. And you reminded me of this when I told you about Jerry, that when I was in my teens, I once told you that I was going to marry someone who was 10 years older.
Yeah, and when you were 15, I think, you told me that I will get married to somebody way older to me who's a man. I don't want to get married to a boy.
But you weren't shocked when I actually got home someone who was...
Because I always felt that you will go for a more mature man.
I don't think I could have, I tried, and I don't think I could have lasted long with someone who was around my own age. It's just not for me.
It needs a very confident man to take in a very intelligent woman and not feel insecure, and that is what Jerry is. I think he's a very confident man by himself, and he can deal with somebody like Kanam, a friend who also has 2 daughters, and she always told me even her daughters are very, very intelligent and very smart, and she felt they intimidate other boys or guys of their age, and they're so insecure that they'll not be happy. So it takes a mature man to handle something like this. Somebody who's intelligent, somebody who is smart, and then they don't feel insecure. Guys have such a big ego, inflated egos. They can't handle a woman who is smart and intelligent.
Okay, I'm laughing like this because I think I am nervous about asking her this question because I've never asked her such stuff before. Uri Tolani wants to know, what do you think about sex before marriage?
You mean like what do you think about sex before marriage, as in whether you should be doing it or
What do you think? I don't know now. She's not.
Like whether she should be doing it before and what I think about it.
Yeah. What? No. Like, what is your?
What exactly? I have to.
What's your
take on it?
What's your take on the concept of premarital sex?
No, where's the rush? Come on, like I feel where is the rush? Know the person. Unless you're all very technical and you want to get it done and it doesn't matter how the person is, then go ahead.
Technical? Did you say technical? What's technical about sex? No.
Of course, everything is technical.
You've spent far too many years with my father.
I mean, where's the rush? I feel.
So her response to that is, where's the rush?
Yeah. Just relax, know the person. Unless it doesn't matter to you how the person is, that person might be horrible or inside he might be something else, but you are only bothered about sex, then go ahead. Take it. Hello.
She said what she said. Javeria wants to know, did you and your mom discuss sex before you got married? You mean like, did she ever give me the sex talk? I don't think you ever gave me a sex talk.
So, did we have a sex talk? No.
No. I think most of what I learned was from my
friends, I'm sure. Yeah, everybody does. I mean, it's a little tad bit not a very comfortable conversation in the sense, so it's okay.
I guess growing up it used to be like that. Now I send you dirty jokes and you send me dirty jokes. And
yeah, but when you're growing up, you always learn from friends. So I have lots of friends. You learn everything.
My mom's like, have lots of friends and you learn everything. Sage advice, that is. Okay, Wanderlasting Star is asking, did you all talk about Anam's sex life when she was in college and dating before marriage?
Oh no!
I don't even know how to respond to that.
No. I'm sure what I know of my girl, she didn't have a sex life. For sure.
Just basically to answer your question, no, we did not. Did we discuss my dating life? We did.
Because it's like, I told you if I found some boy cute and, you knew about, like, if I was ever out with, like, a group of friends and I had a crush on one of the boys, you knew which boy that was, always,
That's okay. That's normal.
Yeah, basically.
I would get stressed if she didn't have a crush.
Why would you get
that
stressed?
She's not straight. I mean, naturally, no.
Oh my god, that brings me to literally the next question. What would your mom's reaction be if you were a lesbian? What you would like freak out if I wasn't straight?
Now see, that is something that I cannot just.
They're trying to be politically correct about
No, I'm not trying to be
response.
political. Of course, I would not be happy if my child was a lesbian, but I would try to, maybe in her growing up stage, only a parent would know there's something wrong, something.
But it's not wrong. Why?
No, it's not. See, at the end of the day, we are still old school. However.
But you shouldn't call it wrong because there are people who are going to watch this and there's nothing wrong with
there's nothing wrong. Absolutely, it's all right. Whomever you want to go to, I'm fine.
But it would give you discomfort.
Yes, it's a little. Yes, definitely. I cannot say no. I will be fine if you are. No, of course it would have troubled me, bothered me. I am, I may be very.
Okay, just for the record, I do not like. That's a place that we have a very different point of view on. I would be totally chill if my kid came up to me and told me that he, she, they was gay, lesbian, bisexual, pansexual, asexual. I don't care as long as you're happy and you're doing what makes you happy. It would not make me uncomfortable at all. I also feel that's probably because like there's that whole log kya kahenge.
No. I have never bothered about log kya kahenge. Please, like.
Okay, so it would make you a little uncomfortable.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, I hope that if I did ever come out as different sexual than I was, I hope that you would, for whatever reason, also come to peace with it.
Yeah, I mean, then you see it with a different perspective. But right now, I can't think. Oh, okay.
Okay, how did she react to your first boyfriend? Can I answer this?
Yeah, okay.
I think the best reaction I got out of her was when I told her we broke up. Do you want to say how you reacted when I told you about my first boyfriend?
That when you broke up?
No, just like.
Yeah, no, I mean, I was okay, yeah. Chill. It's okay. Like, I was only very happy it didn't last.
My mom is not in the mood for being politically correct, you guys. Also, the other question from Bhumi is, what was your reaction when you found out about Anam's first relationship? I mean, I guess that's the same thing.
Yeah.
Did you tell your mom about heartbreaks and did she help you deal with them? She knew everything.
Yeah, but it wasn't like there were a dozen heartbreaks and a dozen relationships.
That was one
There
really
were
bad
two
heartbreak.
maybe. It's fine.
Yeah, there was one
That's all-
really bad heartbreak and there was one
Yeah.
teenage random heartbreak.
Part of growing up.
Yeah. I know the answer to the next one. I'm gonna let her say it. If Anam had it, I don't know how this is a spicy question.
Nisha, how the hell is this a spicy question? This is a bland namak वगैरह का question. जो कोई चखे तो सोचेगा उनके taste buds हो गए और जाके कोरोना का test ले लेगा. This is a difficult question, but it's a cute question. But it's not a spicy question.
If Anam had a twin, what would you name him or her?
Sanam.
So when I was a child, tell them the story how you used to scare me into eating
Yeah, so
food.
she would trouble me for eating food. So I always told her that I have another daughter whose name is Sanam. Right now she's in the boarding school. And I go get her now. You know, if you don't eat.
Yeah, so I'm fairly certain if I had a twin, her name would be Sanam. I don't know if what it would be if it's a boy.
No, but I just saw somebody whose name was Sanam, a guy,
Okay, so I guess it would
on
be
TV
Sanam either
for the
way.
dance show.
Nandini is asking, sort of, I guess she's asking for your reaction. Imagine Anam deciding to adopt a baby.
Yeah, it's fine. If she feels she wants to, why not? Why not give an orphan child a home? I'm fine with it. But I'm also of the of the thought that you have to do that with full commitment, like as if you have given birth to that child. Cannot have any
Doubt.
doubt.
कोई doubt मत रखना.
कोई डाउट मत रखना.
हाँ, नहीं, doubt नहीं. Like little bit also somewhere in your love, in your anything in upbringing, that little thing should not come in that you have adopted, as if you have given birth.
Ruchika Jain is asking a few important features. ये iPhone है क्या? Few important features that a mom would want in her son-in-law. Like Jerry is an iPhone model. उसके कौन से features चाहिए आपको?
नहीं, features क्या होता है?
Even I don't get this question.
I mean, qualities you would want in your son.
हाँ, I think she
maybe
means
like
that.
that.
Yeah.
What you mean? But this is the millennial generation asking such questions, so they think it's features.
But what features
हाँ.
would you have wanted?
I mean, just be a good human being is what I feel. I think a good human being you will think also from the heart, and you will be good and kind and everything. It just sums up. ऐसे नहीं है कि एक थोड़ा ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए, ये होना. No, you are a good human being. You are a good person. Period.
Okay, and with that, we come to the end of today's video. Mom, you did well. I think,
Okay.
yeah, I think barring that LGBTQ point we have that we completely differ on at the
That's
moment.
okay. We
Um,
agree to disagree.
Yes, I think you did well. I think the questions were also nice. Like they didn't really go hard at you, and at the same time there were some nice mixed easy questions also in
Yeah.
there. Thank you everyone for sending in those questions. Thank you, Mummy, for
I
answering
hope I
them.
answered well.
I think you did.
I hope.
You'd let us know what you think in the comment section
Yeah.
below. And happy Mother's Day again. Mwah. I love you.
Love.
Tell them to like and comment and subscribe.
Yes, please like, please subscribe, and hit the bell button.
I love that she did that. See you guys in the next one. Bye.